I'm surprised I can read this many comments. Do you have teeth? Can you not see my teeth? They're right there! Ow! I like only realized yesterday that I never posted my mouth on twitter.com. So today was the mouth reveal. Why are you giving me the X emoji for? Teeth reveal. Mouth reveal. I wonder if I'm allowed to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Staff-san, are you ready? Take that as you will. Take that as you will, everybody. If you're gonna talk about my teeth, then I'll talk about my teeth. Take that as you will. Fang reveal? Maybe. I don't know. What are you guys talking about? I don't know. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I don't know. I do not see. If I close one eye, I do not see. Oh my god, I'm so like full of energy and like